Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to go over AMC 12B 2021 fall, problem number 8. So it says the product of the lengths of the two congruent sides of an obtuse isosceles triangle is equal to the product of the base and twice the triangle's height to the base. What is the measure in degrees of the vertex angle of this triangle? Okay, so for this one, what I did was I draw the triangle. I labeled each of these sides A, right? I labeled the height C, and I labeled the base B, which means each of these halves is B over 2, right? Because it's isosceles, the altitude will cut the base in half. And then I called each of these angles theta. And essentially, we want to find the value of 2 theta, right? So what I do is I let alpha equal 2 times theta, right? Well, let me do that better. So let's see, 2 times theta. Okay, so now what can we say? Now, first thing, we're told that the product of the two congruent sides is equal to the product of the base and twice the triangle's height. So 2CB or 2BC, right? So now let's think about what we can say from this triangle. Well, can we find a way to represent the area of the triangle? Well, the area of the triangle would be 1/2 base times height, which would be 1/2 B times C, right? But there is another way we can represent it, which would be 1/2. So if you know that there's a formula, if you have a triangle with sides ABC, right, and the angle theta, then you can represent the area by doing 1/2 AB sine angle C, or theta, right? Right. So that's a formula that you can use to calculate the area of a triangle, right? So in this case, it would be what? It would be 1/2 A times A sine 2 theta, right? Remember, a squared is equal to 2bc. So that means 1/2 bc is equal to 1/2 times 2bc sine alpha, right? So if we cancel out bc, cancel out bc, cancel out 1/2, cancel out 1/2, essentially what we're left with is sine of alpha is equal to 1/2. Right, and alpha is basically the answer we're looking for. So we know, okay, sine of alpha is 1/2, means alpha could either be 30 or 150. But remember, we're told that the triangle is obtuse, which means the angle has to be greater than 90. So therefore, the angle must be 150 degrees. Right, so I think that one overall wasn't too hard, right? So basically what I'm doing is I'm going over some AMC 12 problems that were not in the AMC 10, because some of the problems overlap, right? So I'm trying to go over some of those problems. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to go over number 9. Okay. So I will see you in my next video.